Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviewer Winspections. Today, I have something a little different for you, an honest product review. We've all been there, scrolling through reviews, wondering if a product lives up to the hype. Well, today, I'm putting the best Apple Watch alternatives to the test. No fluff, no sugarcoating, just straight up honesty about whether this thing is worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around as we dive into the good, the bad, and the downright surprising aspects of top 5 Apple Watch alternatives. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, on this channel, we keep it 100%. Let's do this. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. The Galaxy Watch is one of the most direct competitors to the Apple Watch. That's partly because it is one of the few watches that offer an eSIM for cellular connectivity. The eSIM and built-in mic and speakers mean you can take calls and receive and respond to text messages via the watch. You don't need your phone on you all the time to take advantage of the smart features, which is a nice option to have. The combination of Wear OS and an Android 8.0 or above phone, however, allows for Google Maps navigation, interaction with Google Assistant, and more. The Galaxy Watch 5 has a sleek, minimal design. It's available in two sizes, 40mm and 44mm, and comes in 4 colors. At only 1.2 ounces for the larger watch, 44mm, it's lightweight, making it more comfortable to wear. Number 2. Fitbit Sense 2 Advanced Health and Fitness Smartwatch. The Fitbit Sense 2 is the company's best and brightest smartwatch. It packs plenty of sensors, including onboard GPS to track your runs and bike rides. It also features a skin temperature sensor and Fitbit's CETA, continuous electrodermal activity, sensor to help track stress. And it promises a 6-day battery life, depending on usage. At less than an ounce, this is one of the lightest smartwatches available, especially for one with such a robust set of sensors. It's sleek and minimal, fitting nicely even on small wrists. And you can choose between 3 colorways. Unfortunately, Fitbit removed third-party app support from the Sense 2. That means it isn't as much of a smartwatch as other options. For example, there's no Spotify app or music support, so you'll have to rely on your phone. But there is a built-in speaker and microphone, so you can take calls on your wrist, as long as your phone is nearby. Number 3. Amazfit GTS 4 Smartwatch. Amazfit is a well-established maker of budget smartwatches, and the GTS 4 is a great one. It provides an 8-day battery life, depending on usage, which is surprising for a watch of this price. That can even be extended to 16 days in battery-saving mode. It also has lots of sensors to measure your heart rate, steps, blood oxygen levels, stress, sleep, location, and more. As a smartwatch, the GTS 4 pairs with your phone and delivers notifications right to your wrist. And it can sync with apps like Strava and Google Fit. It features a built-in mic and speaker, so you can receive and make calls from the watch if your phone is near. It has a strikingly Apple Watch-like design, which is sleek and minimal. Of course, as a somewhat inexpensive watch, there are some downsides. The companion app, called Zepp, is a bit clunky, with some settings difficult to find. Number 4. Garmin Instinct 2S Solar. Garmin's Instinct 2S Solar has a lot going for it, but its battery life is certainly the main highlight. In smartwatch mode, Garmin says it offers unlimited battery life if you get 3 hours of 50,000 lux sunlight conditions a day. Of course, when you use the various GPS modes and tracking exercises, that goes down. But I got about a week of life from my 40mm version while doing some activity once a day, even without getting the required sun exposure per day for the solar benefits. The watch also gets a robust set of sensors and tracking features, in line with most of Garmin's products. It can suggest workouts and keep track of your training status to ensure you're getting the most out of your activities and advancing your fitness. You can even use it to navigate should you need help getting back to your starting point. Overall, it's a fantastic training partner. Number 5. Garmin Forerunner GPS Running Smartwatch. Garmin specializes in super advanced fitness and outdoor tech gear, making its gear one of the best Apple Watch alternatives for serious athletes. The Forerunner 955 is specifically focused on running, though it can track about any kind of workout you can think of, including one specific to triathlon training. It includes a dizzying array of sensors to ensure you improve. It calculates elevation changes, measures your pace against an average for your fitness level, calculates VO2 max, and can even measure stuff like ground contact time and stride length. In addition, the watch provides plenty of training help, such as suggested workouts and training load insights, to help you maximize your fitness. Despite all the data it collects, the battery life is fantastic. You can easily customize battery consumption to get what you need out of the watch in a given situation. In smartwatch mode, Garmin promises 15 days of battery life. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.